In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract in Excel using formulas. Whether you're managing your household expenses, working on a school project, or dealing with corporate data, Excel is a tool that can make your life a lot easier. Subtracting numbers is a fundamental skill in Excel that everyone should know, and today I'm going to guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by accessing Excel. If you don't have Microsoft Office installed on your computer, no worries. You can easily use the online version for free. Just go to the free Microsoft 365 online website that includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This online suite is an incredibly handy tool for those who need to access their documents anywhere and anytime without the need for software installation. Next, you'll need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you might consider creating one. It's free, and besides access to Office Online, it gives you several other benefits, such as OneDrive storage. If you already have an account, just proceed by typing in your email, enter your details and click on Next to continue. Follow the prompts to enter your password and any other verification method you might have set up, ensuring the security of your account. Once you are signed in, it's time to dive into the essence of today's tutorial, the subtraction formula. But before we actually write any formulas, let's give ourselves a context to make it easier to understand. We will use an example spreadsheet. This file could be anything from a budget tracker, an inventory list, or a simple record of expenses and revenues. For our purpose today, think of it as a monthly budget planner where you might want to subtract your expenses from your income to see how much you've saved or overspent. In our example, let's say we have the income listed in cell B2 and the expenses listed in cell C2. To subtract these numbers, we need to use a simple formula in the cell where we want our result to appear, which might be D2 for savings. The formula you need to use is equal sign B2C2. Here's how you do it. Click on the cell where you want to display the result, type in equal sign B2C2,